Hello, Richard here from Eagle 6 Airsoft. We are testing this token with P90. So this came in for not working on single shot and wanted a bit more speed and performance. So we put a Solink brushless motor. I believe it's the 31K. We've also got the Perun Mosfet system for obviously fixing the single shot. We did try and restore the original contact switch set, which made it work, but wasn't up to the customer standards. So ultimately, sometimes the easiest way to fix these problems is to combine them with an upgrade. So we've fit an entire new MOSFET thing in there. Obviously we've had to configure it up to match obviously the brushless motor, and we're pretty sure we've got it working now. It's obviously for consistency on single shots and full auto, but I just want to demonstrate the functionality. So obviously we've got safe, good, not firing, single shot. Full auto. There we go. So all working. Hopefully it stays working. Like you can see the Perun in the back there. Like I say, a very cool system and a little fiddly to get set up, but once you've got it set up, like I say, it seems to be working good. And hopefully enjoyment for the customer. So enjoy. Thank you.